I had Cara got a bath today. I have to change her collar. She got tangled with a skunk in the yard, and so the collar she's wearing, she got sprayed by a skunk. So I'm gonna have to take it off and take the tags off. And I got a watermelon. I got brave and cut the watermelon myself. I found a good knife. This knife is no good. It's got a weak handle. It's gonna break. So I've got I'm gonna put these out for the raccoons. Those little, I live in Ohio, southern Ohio, and we have raccoons that live up in the trees, like they go in the hollow trees. So I'm gonna put these out on the porch for them. And then maybe tonight I can get a picture of them. And then I've got the peanuts out and bird seed. I got some unsalted peanuts. I should give them some water. I see the birds in the bush. So I filled this bird feeder up, and I filled this one up. And then got down there too. I gotta get some water. I'll put these out for the raccoons. And then it's September 4th. Or is it the 5th? No, it's the 5th. It's Thursday. Let me get my little picture. And then I can put some water out for the birds and the squirrels. Isn't that pretty? I got that at the Goodwill store. It's a Harry and David. There's my Toyota Prius. Oh. And that way I can watch the raccoons tonight. Maybe I'll get a picture of some raccoons on there. Wouldn't that be cute? That'd be adorable, wouldn't it? Thank you for sending me the flower seeds too. That was super special. Okay. I'm going to end this one Thursday, September 5th. Okay. The gathering place.